So I'm going to just go step by step here, how to cut this beautiful bob haircut. When we cut in the bob haircut, there's some things we have to follow. It's, the consultation before we cut in the hair. How's the hair is look like, if they have any broad patterns, the back, the front, the fringe, the side fringe, everywhere, to make sure everything is perfect. So before we start, after we checked it, to make, obviously we have to know what clients want, how short they want. We understand all that. And now we're going to make a slight slanted from the back to forward. So the front long as possible, and the back we're going to cut shorter. We're not going to put graduation too much here, but we're going to make it slanted from the back longer to forward. Now, the one thing, the first I will do, take the nice sectioning from here, ears to ears, and the reasons we say ears to ears, it has a main reasons for it, because any hair behind the ears is coming down as a natural coming down, just like this. So now what we're doing, we're taking section from here and taking half of the hair, slightly, half of the hair. Just this part. I'm taking it, even take a little bit more. And I'm taking another on top of the ears, another section. And the one thing I'm going to watch here, to create my base, the base frame, how to cut this. So the hair is here. Do you want to keep the front long as possible? Yeah. So we're keeping the front long as possible. If I put my comb here, this hair is going to roughly come to there, roughly to here. So if I cut as a rough frame, you seen it? And then exactly the same way, if I put my comb, like this. Now I know that where my hair is going to be. So that is the rough frame I have cut it. After I put this rough frame, what I will do, I will take the hair forward down, and then I will section my hair, bring it down nicely, make sure it's an equal amount both sides. It make it easier for you. That's absolutely, just make much easier for you. As much as you can, try to section your hair nice and tight. Yeah. After you've done that, we're bringing this hair down. And then bring this hair down as well. Making sure you're not cutting the collar. Bring the collar down. Bring this one down again. Make sure where it is. So after you bring it down, just comb it down, make it so nicely, the hair is following nicely. If your hair, the base is correct, and you will always put much better hair. The base has to be correct. When the base is correct, then the rest will follow. After that, take one small section, bring it down, all the hair have to come natural. So let's show you this time. Every hair has to come down natural. Natural. So not bringing this one here, not bringing this one here. The natural down, natural down. Natural down. Natural down. Same thing here. Natural down. After you've done that, and then the rest of the hair, it will come down much easier. And then just bring your hair down and you put it. Absolutely much easier. You see that how the hair is start following that nice shape it is coming down. And then I take this section nicely again, bring this one down. Make sure the head is nicely tilted and keep doing this nicely. Make sure the client's not doing cross-checking, cross-legging, because if the cross-legging, the body posture is to change. So that's why you have to be careful. After you're doing that, make sure you can just make sure the hair is following nicely. And now, this is the part where we're going to do a little bit connecting, because we're leaving the front longer. As you can see, here, bringing it down, and then just gentle. So, as you can see, I'm not doing too much backward, not forward. Gentle down, and leaving the front longer. Now I do the other side. Again, do it same, not going too much. Bring it back, go forward, just nicely, just tilt it inside. And then the hair is coming down nicely. So just take it one single one is left here. This is coming. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blow dry the hair and start texturizing it with a point cut, like this, very point cut, and then you will see the final result when I come back. You can hold the hair like this and then just cut it, either point cut or either straight. Also, another tip to give you when you're cutting the hair, make sure when you're sectioning, because the hair is going shorter to longer, so your section shouldn't be like this, it should be like that. So what I mean, when you, after you blow dried it, section your hair like this, and then you're holding it, as you can see, longer to shorter. So point cut like that. If you do it like this and you cut it, then the shape of the hair completely will change. Make sure that you are doing always forward sectioning. Forward like this. So if any questions is there you want to ask, I will help you, do my best to help you guys. بليز اعمل لي حفظة للفيديو. هذا الخطوة بعد ما خلص بحط آخر شيء بالفيديو كمان بتحسن بتشوف الريزلت. Now after I cut the hair, the frame, when I finish the frame, now straighten the hair nicely, blow dry, after blow dry. So the hair is still, as you can see, it's far from finished. It's far from finished. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just take the scissors and then gently, we're not doing too much graduation, gently, just soften that hair to go inside. But we're doing it in angle. So here, leave it longer, and here to go a bit more slightly shorter until you're satisfied with it. Do it a couple of times, and once you feel like this is getting better, and then go to the next part. You can see it starts sitting better. Now, also, if you want to, you can use the thinner scissors. Again, this way you take less hair and then go deeper. We will show, we will show the yellow, but it may be a little bit.
Just a little bit?
Yeah, but I leave it here. I think it will take it, but it may still throw it out a little bit. But it may give more different texture to the yellow. You know what I mean? Now, I'm taking this part a little bit, just in between. After we've done that, you can see the bob starts getting more nice blend. And then when I take, before you go to the next part, just make this one here. Make sure that this hair is coming down nicely. So I'm going to just go here. This is coming quite nicely. So then I straighten it. I can see it's slightly thicker, this part. same the other side. Bring my hair down. I turn to this part slightly thicker. I'll just take this one here and then soften that area. After I finish that one as well. Now I go leave it both sides. As I already blow dried the hair, just need to straighten it a little bit nicely. Now, the one thing you're going to watch here is this part, where you can already see it is very, very heavy, this here. So that's why I say take knife back of the diagonal and then take it from inside. Take it from back and coming forward and holding it exactly the same. Leave it the front longer, less, and take more. Each time you go, the back is taking more to give that kind of nice longer to shorter. So that's how I texturize my hair. As I said, the full result you will see later on. I will send it to you guys. If any question, please ask me. Thank you very much for watching and thanks for your time. Bye.